In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display desktop icons on Windows 10. If you've ever found yourself wondering where your desktop icons have disappeared, or simply want to personalize your workspace, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the steps to ensure your desktop icons are visible in no time. First, let's approach your desktop. Go ahead and move your mouse right over your desktop screen. Now, you'll want to perform a right click with your mouse. This action will open up a context menu right there on your screen. It's like having a mini control panel at your fingertips, giving you quick access to a few different options. Next on our journey through this menu, you will see an option called View. Go ahead and hover your cursor over View. This section primarily deals with how you see and organize items on your desktop. Selecting this option will expand into another menu that offers several different choices related to the appearance and arrangement of your icons. Now that you have the View menu expanded, let's pinpoint the option we're looking for: Show Desktop Icons. If you notice that there is no checkmark next to this selection, that means your desktop icons are hidden. Simply click on Show Desktop Icons to enable it. After clicking this, you'll notice that voila, your desktop icons should now magically appear. This straightforward procedure makes it easy to toggle the display of your icons on and off based on your particular needs or preferences. These steps are not just for when your icons mysteriously vanish. You might also find it useful if you're doing a presentation and want to clean up your desktop temporarily without losing the arrangement of your icons. Another tip is to revisit this menu if you wish to adjust the size of the icons to better suit your screen or your vision. There are options for large, medium, and small icons right there under the same view menu we navigated to earlier. Also, if you ever feel your desktop is disorganized, the auto arrange icons option can be your best friend. It instantly tidies everything up in a neat order. Just remember, once you've allowed the icons to be displayed, you have full control of how you see and arrange these icons in any way that suits your workflow best. There you have it. With just a few clicks, you can regain control over your desktop icons on Windows 10, bringing back both functionality and order to your screen. I'm glad to have walked you through this simple yet effective process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.